Hello, credit warriors. This is TouchSuite, merchant and payment processing and POS systems. Are you ready to dive deep into the world of credit repair business growth, leveraging modern payment gateway solutions? In this video, we'll dissect the core components of credit repair merchant processing, from strategic acceptance of credit card payments to tailored e-commerce solutions. Before we jump in, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and leave your thoughts in the comments below. Your engagement fuels our content. 1. Strategic acceptance of credit card payments in credit repair. At the heart of credit repair business growth lies strategic acceptance of credit card payments. It's not just about transactions, it's about building trust with clients. Understanding the nuances of credit repair merchant processing is crucial to foster enduring relationships and business expansion. 2. E-commerce excellence. Tailored solutions for credit repair. The digital landscape shapes consumer interactions. We'll explore how seamless integration with e-commerce platforms becomes a tailored solution for credit repair businesses. This move extends your reach and provides customized solutions, elevating your online presence strategically. 3. Navigating high-risk challenges. Insights for credit repair. Operating in the high-risk domain? We've got you covered. Learn about high-risk credit repair payment gateways and turn challenges into opportunities. Strategic choices, compliance, and enhanced security measures are your allies in this landscape. 4. Innovations in payment processing. The future of credit repair. Stay ahead of the game by embracing innovations in payment processing. We'll discuss emerging technologies and evolving regulations, ensuring your business not only adapts but leads the way in the dynamic landscape of credit repair and payment gateways. 5. Building client trust through transparent credit card payment services. Trust is the cornerstone of lasting relationships. Discover the pivotal role of transparent credit card payment services. It's not just about transactions, it's about clear communication and commitment. Deepen trust, and your clients become long-term partners in your credit repair journey. 6. Strategies for effective credit repair merchant processing. Effective strategies are key. Dive into the nuances of tailoring payment processing solutions specifically for the credit repair industry. Compliance, efficiency, and a profound understanding of credit repair transactions are your tools for success. 7. Online payments in the digital age. Crafting a seamless experience. Crafting a seamless online payment experience is imperative in the digital age. We'll guide you through aligning your payment processing system with industry standards. Providing a frictionless experience is not just beneficial, it's essential to meet and exceed your clients' expectations. That's a wrap for today's deep dive into credit repair business growth through modern payment gateway solutions. If you found this information valuable, don't forget to subscribe for more insightful content. For top-notch merchant and payment processing solutions, visit TouchSuite's website. Trusted by over 50,000 companies worldwide, TouchSuite is your go-to payments provider for over 2 decades. Thanks for joining us today. And until next time, stay financially empowered.